Welcome to Alicia's life journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. It's your girl Alicia Journey, and today we're doing a review on the Shark Steamer. So yes, all you have to do is just fill this reservoir with water, clean good water, put the cap back on. See right there, you just click it right into that little slot so you get that clicking noise, and then you just plug up your steamer, let it get hot enough where the water starts to boil in the blue container that's attached to it. Then you see that you just keep pumping it. You see right there, that's the handle. I'm just pushing it up and down and I'm pumping it, and when you're pumping it, it's how you trigger the steam. So as you pump it, you'll start seeing the steam come out. The blue water in the blue container right there starts to bubble, and then you just start to clean. So I already had swept the floor, I already cold mopped the floor earlier, and sometimes I can't always get every dirt off of it because it was really rainy not too long ago, and just a lot of dirt got trapped into the kitchen. So right here, right there, I'm trying to mop that big old dirt stain. So I had to go back and put more water because it's kind of like a damp mop. You put more water and soap on the floor, and then you use the steamer, and it loosens up a lot of that dirt that's just sitting there. I would rate it about a 4 out of 5 because it works better once you wait for it to get really hot. It doesn't work like too well, and as soon as you plug it up, you need to let it get hot, kind of like an iron. It's really nice and it's good for its price because it was $60. Got it from Walmart. This is the Shark Steamer for $60. It's a great buy. It really helped get a lot of the stains out the floor. And then it just has a different smell too. Like when you cold mop, it's different, but then when you steam, it just have a fresher scent to the floor. So all you gotta do, because you save money, is once you finish using it, you just wind it back up. You'll rip off the bottom right here. See the Velcro? Because it's cloth. And you can just see those little black squares. That's how you keep it hooked to this. See how dirty that was? You put it in the wash machine. You wash it. But then when it's washed and finished, you just stick it right back on. Just drop it, just like that. Easy. See? And there you go. And you just keep on mopping. So y'all see all that dirt on there? That's how much dirt came off that floor, y'all. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to my channel. You can always do a warranty on this electronic device, just like most devices from Walmart. So again, thanks for watching. I'm doing a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway once I reach 280 subscribers, because unfortunately I didn't make my prior goal of 250 subscribers because I kept losing them before I did the live stream. So the details are going to be below of how to do that gift card giveaway, how to enter in. And yes, I really do have this Amazon gift card that I've been holding for about 3 months now, and I'm ready to give it to a lucky winner on the live stream.